Hello guys, I'm Chong from Chongy Bears. I got this package from Mart. It's this monster toy. I've been waiting for this package for a long time and it's finally here. First, we'll open this little free gift. I think it's a pen or something. Let me open it. This package, they mail it from China, so it took a long time. Oh wow. Wow, it's cute and big. It's bigger than I thought.
I think I'm not sure where I'll put this pen.
Okay, wow. That's a cute one. Can we open it? Oh, yeah, you can open it. Okay, wow, this is 12th year anniversary. Nice, very cute, and I didn't know that you can open this. And here is actually a background. Very cute. Okay, now let's see the toy. Wow! It's a big monster toy. Oh, look at the eyes. So funny. Very silly. Oops. Wow. Okay, let me open the box first. Here they got a card. Very thick card. And I can't wait. Wow.
I still need to cut those off.
Oh, finally. That wasn't easy. This one is very cute, and I heard that you can move the eyes, so you can make it move to look at any direction. So funny. Let's do a funny one. Oh, yeah, I love it. Oh, it can only move left and right, but it cannot move up and down. So. And he's wearing a hat, and I believe you can take off everything he is wearing like this. So funny. Wow, this material is very soft. It's kind of smooth, like a little bit silky feeling. Yeah, this is very soft and smooth. I like this creamy color. And let's take off the bag. Can we take off the bag? Oh, we can take off the scarf. He's wearing a sweater, pants, pair of shoes, winter boots. Oops. Oh, look at this little foot. I'm sorry, I just want to take off all your clothes and take a look. Oops. Okay, now the bag is off. It's a crossbody bag, and there's a zipper that you can actually put something in there. Oh, this is a fake. This is a fake one, I think. Yeah, the first pocket is a fake one, and second one you can open it. Oh my god, he looks so silly. And he has like very big head, a smaller body. Can he stand on his own? Oops. It's not very easy. I think you may try to he may stand on the table, but if I adjust it, because I think his arms and legs are jointed, so you can actually move it around. Can we? Let me see. Yeah, I can feel something in there. It's jointed for sure. And I think you can also turn the head and look left and right. That's very cute one. I really love this guy. I want to get more for sure. I'm a fan now. I'm a big fan of this little monster now. I love this fur. Let me see. See if you can see clearly. This fur is a little curly, like the lamb, and soft and smooth. I'm in love with this little guy. I believe I have some clothes that's similar size to this sweater. I have some other color. Maybe he can wear them as well. I'll try later. This is his pants, and also I think I have a few those t-shirts and dress from Build-A-Bear. They look similar in size, so I will also see if he can wear those clothes as well. I'll take another video about it later after vacation, because we're going for vacation for like about a week. So I think after I come back, I will make another video about this guy wearing some other clothes if he does fit in. I love this little guy. It's a very, very good size. It's a very, very good size, and I just hug him like that. Wow, perfect size for me to take him out.